Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna take this 1994 Caprice Wagon down the road. Check it out, see how she runs and drives. If you're new to the channel, we post classic cars every single day. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, share with your friends. It helps us get out there. This has got the LT1 V8 on a set of 338 Boss wheels, disc brakes. Just a crazy paint job. Definitely check out the walk around video, point out all the details on the paint job. There's a ton of work that somebody put in this. You can go on my website and get shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride and every ride on the lot. January 4th, we'll be updating with at least 20 cars. Lots of new stuff coming out, and I'm gonna do a full lot walk. So be sure to check that out. Okay guys, we're gonna take off down the road and see how she runs. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. This one starts up nice. It's got 183,000 miles on the dash. Try to get you in there. Tilt column, windshield wipers. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think this horn works? AC works on this one. So does the heat. And we have the face of the radio. It does work. It does have a PA down here with all kinds of different sounds. Just something fun to play with as you're riding down the road. Of course, a little microphone that you can speak into, yell at people, tell them to get out of your way. The dash has custom pinstriping all over it. And they did a pretty good job. The seats have been replaced. The back seats are cloth, and then the very back seat back there is turned around backwards towards the window is leather or vinyl. They even etched the glass. A lot of detail was put into this. The dash has even got it, and I noticed there's like lights back there in the back, up top and on the sides. But what we're gonna do is take off down the road and see how she runs and drives. Got a good sound to it. Let's go. Oh wait, horn works. All right, we're gonna take off down the road here. Got the skull shifter. It's even got pinstriping back here below the dash. Great exhaust note. I believe that's Flowmasters on here. Going straight as an arrow down the road. Steering's nice and tight. Gas gauge is working, floating around. All our gauges are working. She's got good power. Full and strong. Brakes working good. Stopping fast. Noticed all the power locks were working earlier. Tell you what, the seat's not moving though. Could be in the switch. Just trying all the power seat options over here. It's not really working. Have to figure out that fuse. If all the switches are out, that may just be a fuse for the seat. you what, it drives good. I used to absolutely love these. I took one of them down to Florida for spring break when I was younger. It was awesome. All right, what we're gonna do is set up in the parking lot, go ahead and get some outside shots. I'm gonna drive over the camera with the light sitting straight up towards the frame. That way you can see the underside of the car. If you're wondering how I make these videos, you can look below in the description. I've got Amazon links to everything that I use, all my equipment. And actually, I just use a iPhone to edit my videos. iPhone, iPad. I've got a few different devices that I've gathered through the years to help me put out more videos for each day. It's a good, strong running car, that's for sure. Checking all my gauges, they're looking good. Oil pressure's about halfway, engine temp's halfway. Everything's good. Only thing we need is a little bit more gas. All right, it's about that time. Let's get these shots. Been circling the parking lot, checking everything out, and engine temperature's still good, oil pressure's in good shape. Let's keep rolling. Right on down the road. So I gotta put my seatbelt back on. Guys, any other suggestions for videos, you can put it below in the comments. I usually read all the comments, check them all out, and try to get back to everybody. Obviously, there is a bunch that come through, but I do pay attention to them. So I did notice the turn signal's not cutting off by itself. You got to manually cut it off. Speedometer seems pretty accurate, and there may be a refresh rate on my camera that makes this flash, and if it's flashing, it's not in person. It's nice, solid, bright. It's not doing anything. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. This suspension's been nice and smooth on here. You probably won't even notice we hit it. There is certain cars like T-Bucket, stuff like that, that I'll hit that speed bump with in and it'll send me through the ceiling. All right, here we go. It's coming up right here. last little stretch here. We'll give her all she's got and go back to the lot. Got a great sound. We're pulling back into Maple Motors right now. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. Please don't forget to share and hit that subscribe button if you want daily videos like this. My next goal, we just hit 200,000. I appreciate it. It's all because of y'all. And I'm gonna be pushing for that other 100,000 this year to see if I can get to it. I know with y'all's help that we'll get there. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. Thanks for taking a ride with me. Check out some of the other videos. There's also a walk around video I'll link to the last 30 seconds of this one. Be sure to check that out as well. All right, guys, let's grab another car. Y'all have a good one.